Air pockets in vinyl. Several ways to fix them. Let's check it out. Show them this air pocket right here. Let me make sure that the camera can see it really well, okay? I'm gonna push on that and come in front of it just to give them the full effect of that ugliness. Yeah, they can see that. Okay, so I've shown you on other videos how to inject it with a syringe. You have to know your wallpaper. This is wallpaper that you can do a slice, fill, and smooth, okay? So let's go to it. You can come on this side and just show them this. Come over here. And take some glue. You will not damage your wallpaper with this. You see these natural lines in this wall covering, right? You're gonna take your blade, you're gonna make sure it's nice and sharp. If it's not, you might do visible damage. And I want you to go 2 inches above and 2 inches below. You're gonna open it up just the way a surgeon opens up skin. Because here's why. You want to expose the problem. That's a lot of air in there. Now you can blame me, that's fine. But as professionals, it's not that we don't make mistakes, it's that we fix them correctly. That would be the way I would explain a professional. Is somebody who makes fewer mistakes than you might, but who knows how to fix problems and to make it look right. Okay? So you want to open this up and pull it back on both sides. This is real good stuff. So you're not going to injure this wall covering by pulling on this. I want you to put a lot of glue in there. And the reason I said sometimes you don't use a syringe is because if you can get away with doing this, this is the better way to go. This takes less time than a syringe where you got to thin down the glue, push it in. One, may I have a sponge, please? Thank you. Thank you. For some reason, this area just didn't get treated right, and I take full responsibility for it. But I want to show you how easy it is to mend the wallpaper after you make such a repair. Because it is a repair. That's all it is. If you're a do-it-yourselfer or a pro, you want to identify, can you do this to your wall cover? And I'm going to give you a general rule. If it's textured and it has lines either horizontal, vertical, or both, you can do it. Because you just take the blade and put it right in the grooves and you'll never see them. If your wall covering is paper, or if it's vinyl and it's dark, don't do it this way. Those are general rules. Use your syringe. The least penetration, the better in that case. But in this case, grooves, slice it open. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click on like, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one.